Welcome to Anna Solution Zone. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass iCloud activation lock from all the Mac models having the Apple Intel T2 chipset. That is mainly from 2018 to 2020. You can also check out the screen to know the list of all Mac models that are supported for this bypass. If your MacBook is on the activation lock screen, passcode lock screen, EFI lock screen, erased screen, or on the spinning globe screen, then you can easily bypass such locked devices with just a few simple steps. Please note that you must have one working MacBook in order to bypass the locked Mac. Currently, this tool only supports bypass for iBridge OS 10.2 and 10.3. In the future, there might come a bypass update for the latest iBridge OS also. If your Mac iBridge OS is from 6 to 10.1, then you can also bypass those Mac by using T2 Mac IO tool. I will make a separate dedicated video by using that tool in the upcoming days. Also, I would recommend every users not to restore the locked Mac directly from the Apple Configurator. Rather, check out its iBridge OS first, as the restore process will update the Mac iBridge OS to its latest version, which might not be compatible for the bypass due to frequent Apple server patch. That's why, make sure which iBridge OS is compatible for the bypass before restoring the locked Mac directly from the Apple Configurator. In this video, I will also show you how to check the locked Mac iBridge OS before doing the bypass. So, watch it till the end without skipping any part. Now, let's start. At first, download T2 Premium iCloud Bypass Tool in the working Mac. For that, open Safari, and then go to AnnaSolutionZone.com website. Click on Tools. Scroll down a little bit until you get MacBook T2 iCloud Bypass Tool heading. Now, find T2 Premium Bypass Tool, and then click on Download. Right-click on T2 Premium, and click on Download again. Here, the downloading has been completed. Now, open the downloaded zip file in the Finder. Double-click on it to extract. Open the extracted folder. Here, you will also get a short video showing how to install this tool for the first time. You can simply ignore it, as I will guide you all the installation steps in this video. So now, drag and drop the T2 Premium application in the application folder. After that, open the application folder and locate the T2 Premium application. Before opening this tool, you have to run the command in the terminal. For that, open the search bar from the top. Search for terminal and then open it. Now, type this command in the terminal without any mistakes. That is sudo space xattr space -dr space com.apple.quarantine space. Now, drag and drop the T2 Premium application in the terminal. After that, hit on Enter. Type your MacBook screen lock passcode, and then hit on Enter. Now, close the terminal in the Finder, and then open the T2 Premium tool from the application. So now, connect the locked Mac with the host Mac by using Type-C to Type-C cable, and also make sure that the cable is connected to the correct port on both Mac. You can check out the screen to know the correct port to connect the cable on different Mac models. After connecting the cable, force shut down the locked MacBook by pressing the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. Now, the next step is to boot the locked Mac into the DFU mode. The steps to boot the Mac into the DFU mode is different for different Mac models. For MacBook Pro and MacBook Air, press and hold left control, left option, right shift and power button at the same time until you see DFU screen in the LU bypass tool. You can check out the screen to know the DFU steps for iMac and Mac Mini. So now, let's boot this locked Mac into the DFU mode. If you failed to boot the Mac into the DFU mode on first try, then simply repeat the same steps on exact timing, you will definitely get success. Now, in order to check the Mac iBridge OS, simply press and hold the power button for around 6 to 10 seconds until the DFU screen disappears from the LU bypass tool. Here, you can see, this Mac iBridge OS is 10.2, which is compatible for the bypass. In this way, you can also check your locked Mac iBridge OS. So now, let's boot the Mac into the DFU mode again. Now, copy the ECID number from the LU bypass tool, and then send it to me on WhatsApp or Telegram for registration. You can also register directly from the ANA Solution Zone website, from where we have recently downloaded this LU bypass tool. For that, go to same ANA Solution Zone website. Click on Services. Search for Lutita Premium MacBook iCloud Bypass and open it. Here, you can directly contact to the website admin on WhatsApp or Telegram in order to register the ECID number without creating an account. Also, you can create a new account from this sign up section. In my case, I'm going to choose the login option. Click on Buy Now. Here, paste the recently copied ECID number in the ECID section. You can also write the order notes, which is optional. Now, enter the discount promo code and instantly get 5 to 15% discounts on every services available in this website. The discount promo code is ANNA6 to 9. Then after, hit on the apply. Here, you can see, I've instantly got $4.5 discounts. Now, choose the suitable payment option. In my case, I have already topped up my wallet, so it's also showing the wallet payment option. This time, I will choose the Binance Pay option. Also, tick on Agreement box, and then click on Place Order. Now, choose either USDT or USDC. In my case, I'm going to choose the USDT. After that, select the network as Binance Pay. You can also make this payments from the other wallets by selecting the correct network. After that, click on Next. So now, open the Binance application in your device, and then scan this QR code to make the payment. Please enter the exact amount as shown in the screen while making the payment. Click on Continue, and then complete the verification process. Here, the payment has been completed. As soon as the payment is completed, it will be redirected to this page. Now, click on Back to Store. Click on check order status. Click on View. Currently, it's showing as processing. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete this order. Also, you will receive an email once the order gets completed. I have received an order completion email. So, let's check it out on the website by refreshing the tab. Here, you can see, it's showing as completed. Now, let's go to Lu Bypass Tool. Click on Start. Here, the tool shows that the Mac has been successfully bypassed. Click on OK and close the Lu Bypass tool. So now, boot the locked Mac into the recovery mode by pressing Command and R keys at the same time until you see the spinning globe screen. Please do not use Option Command and R keys to boot the Mac into the recovery mode, because it will give the latest macOS installation option, which might not be supported after the bypass due to frequent Apple server patch. You can install the most compatible macOS from the macOS installer after completing this bypass process. So now, let's boot the locked Mac into the Internet recovery mode by pressing Command and R keys at the same time until it shows the spinning globe screen. Now, choose your Wi-Fi and connect to it. It will take around 10 to 30 minutes depending upon your internet speed in order to complete this loading screen. Please use the fast and stable internet connection. Otherwise, it may give you startup error like this one. In that case, bypass again with the Lu T to Premium tool. And again, boot into the recovery mode. This time, use the fast and stable internet connection, or directly connect the Ethernet cable to the Mac by using suitable adapter. You can also directly install the suitable macOS from the USB bootable macOS installer. Also, do not let the Mac shut down during the bypass process. Otherwise, you have to repeat the same bypass process again from the beginning. So, plug the power cable to the locked Mac during the process. Choose the language as English, and click on Continue. If you get stuck on language selection screen, then simply bypass again from the Lu T to Premium tool, and repeat the same steps. Now, select the disk utility, and then click on Continue. Click on View. Click on Show All Devices. Now, select the Apple SSD at the top, and then click on Erase. Leave all the fields as it is, and then click on Erase. Click on Done, and quit the disk utility. Now, select the Reinstall macOS, and then click on Continue. Again, click on Continue. Click on Agree. Again, click on Agree. Now, select the disk, and then click on Install. Now, it will take around 10 to 20 minutes, depending upon your internet speed, to complete this process. Now, you can disconnect the DFU cable after reaching to this stage. Now, select your country, and then click on Continue. Click on Continue. Connect to your Wi-Fi. Click on Continue. Tick on Don't transfer any information, and then click on Continue. Click on Set up later. Click on Skip. Click on Agree. Again, click on Agree. Now, enter your name and create a password. Then after, click on Continue. Click on Continue. Again, click on Continue. Click on Set up later. Untick the Enable Ask Siri, and then click on Continue. Click on Continue. Click on Set up later. Click on Continue. Again, click on Continue. Again, click on Continue. Boom! Here, you can see that this MacBook has been successfully bypassed. Now, you can update to the suitable macOS versions that is compatible for your Mac, iBridge OS. Please check out the screen to know the suitable macOS for different iBridge OS. In my case, this Mac iBridge OS is 10.2, so it supports macOS Sequoia 15.7.3. Now, let's download this specific macOS installer. For that, open Safari, and then search for inasolutionsone.com website. Move the cursor towards More, and then click on Blog. Click on How to create a bootable USB installer for macOS. Here, scroll down until you see macOS Full Installer. Now, find the suitable macOS version, and then download it. Here, the downloading has been completed. Now, double-click on the downloaded PKG file to install. Click on Continue. Again, click on Continue. Click on Install. Enter your Mac screen lock password, and click on Install Software. Click on Close. Now, go to the application, and open the recently installed macOS installer application. Click on Continue. Click on Agree. Again, click on Agree. Click on Continue. Enter the Mac screen lock password, and click on OK. Now, it will take around 10 to 20 minutes to complete this installation process. Enter the Mac screen lock password, and hit on Enter. Click on Only Download Automatically. Click on Continue. Here, you can see that we have successfully installed the macOS Sequoia on this Mac without any issues. Now, go to General Settings. Click on Software Update. Here, disable all the automatic updates. You can also block the automatic updates by installing Disable macOS Update tool on this bypassed MacBook. This is a completely untethered bypass, where you can force shut down your Mac without any issues. Also, it won't relock on battery drain. Here, I will show you doing force shut down this Mac by pressing the power button. Enter the Mac screen lock password and hit on enter. Here, you can see, force shutdown is working perfectly without any issues. In this way, you can do untethered bypass from all the Mac models, having the Apple Intel T2 chipsets, by using this tool. If you get any issues during this bypass process, then simply contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram. I will try my best to solve your issues. Also, if you find this video helpful, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.